The Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine BSV 600 PSS, crafted from polished stainless steel, is an exceptional addition to the world of sous vide machines. With its sleek design and compact size, it fits easily into any kitchen setup. The Joule Turbo stands out with its fast water heating capabilities, significantly reducing cooking times while maintaining precise temperature control. This allows you to achieve perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. The machine connects seamlessly to a smartphone app, providing intuitive control and access to a wide range of recipes and cooking guides. For optimal customer satisfaction, it's important to follow a few guidelines. First, use high-quality vacuum-sealed bags to ensure your food remains submerged and evenly cooked. Monitor the water level to prevent interruptions during cooking. Regularly clean the device to maintain its performance and longevity. Exploring the app's features can enhance your experience, offering tips and recipe suggestions tailored to your taste. The Breville Joule Turbo not only makes sous vide cooking accessible but also elevates it, allowing you to create restaurant-quality dishes with the precision and convenience that modern sous vide machines offer. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro, with its powerful 1,200-watt capacity, is a standout among sous vide machines. This sleek black and silver device is designed for precision and durability, making it an excellent choice for both home cooks and professional chefs. With its ability to heat water quickly and maintain a consistent temperature, it ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. The Innova Pro is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive interface that makes it easy to set time and temperature. Its compatibility with the Innova app allows users to control the cooker remotely and access a wide range of recipes. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's essential to follow a few tips. First, always use high-quality vacuum-sealed bags to prevent leaks. Second, make sure the water level is maintained to avoid interruptions during cooking. Third, experiment with different recipes to fully utilize the machine's capabilities. Lastly, regular cleaning and maintenance will extend the life of your sous vide machine. The Innova Pro is not just about precision, it's about transforming your cooking experience and delivering restaurant-quality results at home. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to impress your guests and elevate your culinary skills. The Every Sous Vide Container 12-quart EVC12 is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen equipped with sous vide machines. Designed with a collapsible hinged lid, this container is compatible with the Innova Nano and 500 US00, Innova Pro 3.0, and even fits Instant Pot models. Its spacious 12-quart capacity allows for cooking larger portions, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The hinged lid not only minimizes evaporation but also provides easy access to your food during cooking, without the need to remove the entire lid. For optimal customer satisfaction, it's important to use this container effectively. Ensure that the water level is maintained to avoid interruptions in cooking and maximize heat retention. The collapsible lid is designed to fit snugly around various sous vide machines, enhancing efficiency and preventing heat loss. Additionally, it's recommended to store the container and lid properly when not in use to maintain their condition. Regular cleaning will also ensure longevity. With the Every Sous Vide Container, you can elevate your sous vide cooking experience, making it more convenient and enjoyable. This product is an excellent investment for anyone serious about using sous vide machines to achieve perfectly. The Sous Vide Art Sous Vide Immersion Cooker Kit is a comprehensive package perfect for both beginners and experienced chefs looking to explore the world of sous vide machines. This kit includes a high-quality immersion cooker with digital timer and temperature control, ensuring precise cooking results every time. Additionally, it comes with 30 vacuum bags and a vacuum pump, making meal preparation and storage simple and efficient. The machine's user-friendly interface allows you to set the desired temperature and cooking time with ease, making it perfect for a variety of dishes, from tender meats to perfectly cooked vegetables. For optimal customer satisfaction, it's essential to follow a few guidelines. First, always ensure that your food is properly sealed in the vacuum bags to prevent water entry and ensure even cooking. Second, monitor the water level to maintain proper circulation and temperature. Experiment with different recipes and cooking times to discover the full potential of your sous vide machine. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the device will prolong its lifespan and ensure consistent performance. The Sous Vide Art Kit is not just a cooking tool, it's a complete sous vide experience that elevates your culinary skills and makes it easy to impress guests with restaurant quality. The Coq Direct Sous Vide machine is a powerful 1000W immersion circulator designed for precision cooking, making it a fantastic choice for both novice and experienced home cooks. With its temperature and time digital display control, this sous vide machine ensures that you can achieve perfect results every time. The easy-to-use interface allows you to set precise cooking parameters, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and retain their flavors and nutrients. Included with the machine is a recipe guide, providing inspiration and helping you get the most out of your sous vide experience. To maximize customer satisfaction, it's important to follow a few tips. First, ensure that your ingredients are properly sealed in high-quality bags to prevent water entry and ensure even cooking. Maintaining the correct water level during cooking is crucial for consistent temperature control and circulation. Regular cleaning of the device will help maintain its performance and longevity. Additionally, experimenting with various recipes and cooking times can help you fully explore the capabilities of your sous vide machine. The Coq Direct Sous Vide machine not only simplifies the cooking process but also enhances your culinary repertoire, allowing you to create restaurant-quality meals at home with ease.